I'm someone who is motivated by continuous learning and meaningful work. I have experience where I develop my some skills. I enjoy environments where I can solve problems, collaborate with others, and contribute to goals that I have a real impact. I am particularly interested in opportunities that allow me to grow professionally while adding value through my relevant skill or traits. First, I want to strengthen my core skills in my field. I want to gain solid experience in a professional environment, and I want to take some responsibilities that help me to grow technically or personally and build confidence and competence in your role. In the short term, my goal is to expand my practical experience, sharpen my skills, and contribute effect- effectively to a team. I want to take on tasks that challenge me and help me become more proficient and adaptable. For long term, I want to gain my career advancement like leadership, specialization, or certification. I want to becoming an expert in a specific area, leading projects out in our team, and making a broader impact in your organization or industry. Long term, I aim to advance into a role where I can take on more responsibilities, possibly in leadership or a specialized area. I want to continue growing, mentor others, and contribute to larger strategic goals within an organization. I've learned that mistakes are opportunities to grow as long as I take responsibilities and reflect on them. One important lesson I've learned from past mistakes is the value of planning and clear communication. In situations where I didn't ask enough questions or didn't clarify expectation, the outcome wasn't as strong as it could have been. Since then, I make it a priority to communicate early and stay organized. It has helped me work more efficiently and avoid repeating the same issues. Overall, I've learned the mistakes aren't failures. They're feedback that help me improve. I have some greater strengths with the examples though. First, I a strong work ethic. I am committed, dependable, and always willing to put in the effort needed to get a job done well. For the example, I'm a previous role of class project. There was a tight deadline that required extra attention. I stay organized, prioritize my tasks, and work constantly until the project was finished ahead or schedule. My reliability helped the team meet our goal without stress. Second, good communication. The strength? I listen well, explain ideas clearly, and collaborate effectively with the others. The example, during a group assignment, some team members didn't fully understand their tasks. I help break down the project into smaller steps, clarified, clarified expectation, and check in regularly. This improved everyone understanding and the final project was complete smoothly. Third, problem solving. I stay calm under pressure, analyze situation, and find practical solution. We once ran into an unexpected issue that could have delayed our work. I quickly identified what went wrong, suggested a different approach, and worked with a team to adjust our plan. Because of this, we were able to complete the task on time. For the greatest weakness, I sometimes hesitate to ask for help because I try to be as independent as possible. In the past, this has caused me to take longer on tasks than necessary. I'm actively improving by asking questions earlier, communicating more, and seeking feedback when needed. This has made me more efficient and helped me grow faster. The jobs I have enjoyed the most were those that all allow me to work collaboratively and solve problems creatively. I enjoy roles where I could communicate with people, contribute ideas, and see the direct impact of my work. I especially like environments that were supportive, organized, and gave me opportunities to learn new skills. The jobs I enjoy the least were those that lacked clear direction or structure. I found it difficult when expectations were unclear, when communication was poor, or when the tasks were too repetitive without opportunities for growth. I also dislike roles where teamwork was minimal and I had to work in isolation for long periods. Specifically, I like the jobs that encourage teamwork, personal development, and meaningful challenge. On the other hand, I dislike jobs with poor communication, monotonous tasks, and limited opportunities to improve or contribute ideas. I decided to seek a job with your company because I'm impressed by your strong reputation, your commitment to quality, and the growth opportunities you offer. I appreciate how your organization values teamwork, innovation, and continuous improvement. I believe this is an environment where I can contribute meaningfully, develop professionally, and be part of a team that works toward clear and positive goals. I perform best in a structured, supportive work environment where communication is clear, teamwork is encouraged, and expectations are well defined. I appreciate environments that provide guidance but also allow room for creativity and personal initiative. If I could change my previous work environment to make it more productive, I would improve communication and task coordination, clearer interaction, consistent teamwork, and better organization would have made a workflow smoother and increase overall efficiency. I enjoy working with individuals who are cooperative, respectful, and open to sharing ideas. I work well with the people who communicate clearly, have a positive attitude, and are willing to support each other to achieve common goals. I find it more challenging to work with individuals who are uncooperative, frequently negative, or unwilling to communicate. It can also be difficult when people avoid responsibility and resist teamwork. However, I always try to maintain professionalism and adapt to different personalities. In my previous job, I was assigned to I was assigned a task with a very tight deadline that seemed unrealistic due to the amount of work required. I need to finish the project on time while maintaining accuracy. I immediately broke the task into smaller priorities, create a timeline, and focus on the most essential part first. I communicate with my team to ensure there were no misunderstandings and eliminate unnecessary activities to save time. The result, the project was complete on time and the quality met expectation. My supervisor appreciate my ability to stay organized and calm under pressure. I once experienced a conflict with a coworker regarding unclear task responsibility. We need to resolve the misunderstanding so the work could continue smoothly. I approached the coworker privately, calmly discussed the issue, and listened to their perspective. We clarified each of our roles and agreed on a better communication method for future tasks. The result, the conflict was resolved quickly and our teamwork improved. We were able to complete the task more efficiently and avoid similar issues afterwards. During a project, I need to make an important decision, but some of the necessary information was delayed. I had to move forward without having all the details while minimizing risk. I gathered all available data, consult with colleagues, and use past experience to estimate the most reasonable approach. I also prepared a backup plan in case the missing information required adjustment later. The result, my decision turned out to be correct, and when the remaining information arrived, only minor adjustments were needed. The project stayed on a schedule, and my manager praised my initiative. A new coworker joined our team and struggled to understand one of the procedure. I want to help them learn the process correctly and quickly. So I took extra time to explain each step clearly, demonstrate how to do it, and provide written notes so they could practice on their own. I also check in later to see if they need additional guidance. The result, they learned the task much faster and became confident in performing it independently. My supervisor noted my willingness to help and appreciate the teamwork.